In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a rating on Facebook Marketplace. If you've recently sold something through Facebook Marketplace and you want to build trust with future buyers, getting ratings on your profile can really help. A strong rating history can make your listings look more reliable and encourage more people to buy from you. The good news is that requesting a rating is simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap the Marketplace icon to enter Facebook Marketplace. This is where you manage your buying and selling activity, and it's also where you can access your seller profile. After that, go to your Marketplace profile. Look for your profile section inside Marketplace, then open either your listings or the selling section. This area lets you review your active and completed sales, and it's the best place to navigate your seller activity. Next, you'll want to contact the buyer. Open your conversation with that buyer in Messenger. This is important because ratings on Marketplace are often tied to actual interactions and completed transactions. When you message the buyer, keep your request polite, brief, and friendly. You don't want it to feel pushy. A simple message works best. For example, you can say, "Thanks again for your purchase. If you enjoyed the experience, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave me a rating on Facebook Marketplace." That kind of message sounds professional and respectful, while also clearly letting the buyer know what you're asking for. It's a good idea to send the request after the transaction is complete, especially once the buyer has received the item and the experience is still fresh in their mind. Once you've sent the message, the final step is to wait for the rating. If the transaction qualifies, Facebook may prompt the buyer to rate you after the conversation or after the sale. This part is handled by Facebook, so not every interaction will necessarily show a rating option right away. When the buyer submits a rating, it will appear on your Marketplace profile. Over time, those ratings can help strengthen your seller reputation and make your future listings more appealing. That's all there is to it. Open Facebook Marketplace